In this video, I will show you that how to use a WordPress plugin detector. If you are using WordPress and your competitors are also using WordPress, so do you want to know what themes and what plugins they are using, your competitors, so you can detect the themes and plugins of your competitors' website. So it's very easy to detect these plugins and themes. So how you can do this? So we will test with our own website. This is one of my websites, learneasycode.com. So I will show you the 3 websites from where you can detect. So first of all, you can go to wpdetector.com. So see, WordPress theme detector and WordPress plugin detector. So ever stumbled upon a stunning WordPress website and wondered what WP theme is that website using? Same thing that I told you. So what we can do, here we can type our own website URL and detect so it's scanning and taking few minutes, few seconds or few minutes even it can take. Till then, we can open another website, that is scanwp.net. And the third one is builtwith.com. So let's move to the first one which we were using, and here see, great news, www.learneasycode.com is using WordPress. So first, this system will detect either the website is using WordPress or not. So the theme details you can see here, Digiqole. So if we go to appearance and themes, you can see I'm using Digiqole. My active theme is Digiqole. This is a theme that I purchased from Theme Forest. If you like the theme, I will also include the link of this theme from where in the description, in the video description I will include, so you can buy from here. Anyways, so you can see detected WordPress plugins like contact form 7, and here you can see I have contact form. So see this one, so I'm using contact form plugin. Tutor LMS, so you can see I'm using Tutor LMS plugin here, and I'm creating lessons for my users. And even WP social login and register social counter. So details of all plugins we can see here. Even you can see the hosting information also they have provided, like Hostinger International Limited I'm using. And the second website, Scan WP WordPress theme detector including plugin detection. So here also I will include my URL and will detect. This will scan the website, and the last one also we will include our URL here. So scan WP is working, and we can see this one. So learneasycode.com, you can see it's using Google Analytics for analytics tracking and widgets, WP forms, WordPress plugins, contact form 7, all the things we can see here. And in the CMS details, it will appear here. See, content management system, so you can see WordPress is here. And in the framework section, you can see here Digiqole theme. So this website is using Digiqole theme. And in the scan WP also, you can see here the statistics of learneasycode.com. Hosting provider is Hostinger International Limited, and here you can see Digiqole, and this is also showing another websites, number of websites that are using the same theme. And here you can see scanned plugins also. We can see here the plugins that website is using. So these are the 3 websites, wpdetector.com, scanwp.net and builtwith.com. So these 3 websites we can use to detect the WordPress plugins and themes. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and also share the video with your friends so they can learn and they can increase their professional skills. Thank you so much once again.